Here's the question you all got to ask, right? Is this, why should anyone choose you over anyone else? If you're going for a new job or you run a business, everyone has similar capabilities on paper. My menu is this, I do SEO, I do coding, I do this, but so does everyone else. There's so much competition out there, so how the hell do you stand out? And the answer is personal branding. What you put on your profile is like your resume, right? Who's ever gone for a new job and had to put their resume, hands up? Do you put everything of your life on your resume? No, you don't. There's some dirty words that are used at the moment. Things like curation. Oh, everything's curated. When you put your resume in, you're curating. You're not putting everything in your whole life in there. You actually want to put your strengths forward. It's not fibs, because if you fib that you've got a PhD in something, you don't have it and you get the job, you're going to fail because you don't actually have the capacity to do it or capability to do it. So you can fib on social media, you can fib on your resume, you can fib on a lot of things, but at the end of the day, it's about how do you make yourself stand out from the competition. And I'll explain what personal branding is and why you should consider doing it, whether you be a business owner or an expert in general. I'll give it in one sentence. Personal branding is simple. It's your professional image, visibility, and reputation in the marketplace. And there's 5 levels of personal branding. There's an in-house expert. In-house experts, you're just known within the 4 walls of your organization. Outside of it, no one knows you. You're respected in your organization. Local hero, someone who's respected in the community. So that might just be Pyrmont area. Or if you live in Newcastle, it's Lake Macquarie area. But then you go to a regional leader. So that's someone who's holds some influence maybe in Sydney or a city, right? Then there's micro-celebrity. So someone who's quite well known and famous within a niche. So if you think about a real estate agent, someone will come to mind. If you think about an architect and you're in architecture, someone will come to mind. The Telstra, Optus and Vodafone of your industry. They can walk down the street, no one knows them, but in your field, you know them, right? And the household names. So this is like Gordon Ramsay. Everyone knows Gordon Ramsay. Now the question I'm going to ask you today is, which one are you at the moment? And that's totally fine. There's no judgment here. It's just getting an audit on where we are and where would you like to be. So what's the input I need to put in to be able to get there? What skills do I need to develop? Positioning or exposure do I need in the marketplace to be seen as that rather than that? Because I'm invisible here outside my 4 walls.